Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you guys how to solve a 2x2 using the beginner's method. For the first step, we need to solve the first layer. The end result should be the whole white side and its colors next to it solved. To do this, we have to choose any white piece, let's say we choose this one, and face it downwards like this. Next, choose any piece with white on the top layer, so let's say we choose this one, and put it above its correct slot. So this piece is white, green, and orange. If we see on this soft cube, white, green, and orange has to go next to white, red, and green, and white, orange, and blue. So in this cube, we have white, red, and green. So it should go right next to this piece. It should go right here. So we put this piece above its correct slot. So since its correct slot is over here, we have to put it above it. So it'll be right here. So we would move the upper face, and now it is above its correct slot. Now that it is in its correct position, we rotate the cube so it is on our right side. So if we were holding from here, we would have to move here so it's on our right side. Now we solve it using an algorithm called the righty algorithm. And it goes like this. Move the right side up, move the upper face with your right finger, move the right side down, and move the upper face with your left finger. So back to the scrambled cube, we have to keep doing the righty algorithm until it gets solved. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Now it's solved. Then we choose another piece with a white sticker and repeat the process again until the whole first layer is solved. A problem might happen when there are no white pieces on the top layer, but the bottom layer isn't solved. Simply put the twisted corner on the right side and perform the righty algorithm once so that the white piece goes to the top layer. Then repeat the process shown earlier to solve the white piece. Congratulations, you have now solved the whole first layer. The upper layer will be solved in 2 steps. First, making all yellow to face upwards, then solving all the colors next to it. To do the first step, turn the cube upside down and choose a yellow piece that isn't facing downwards to solve. So this piece is already facing downwards, so we're not going to choose that one. Let's choose this one. So make sure it's on your bottom right slot, so right here. Then perform the righty algorithm until this piece gets solved. So not solved, solved. Once the piece is solved, move the bottom layer so that an unsolved piece goes to the bottom right slot. So this is unsolved, so we move the bottom layer so that it stays in the bottom right slot. Then repeat the steps shown earlier to solve this piece. Now rotate the cube and you should have all the yellow pieces facing up. For the last step, we will need to learn a new algorithm. You will need to move the left side up and then do the righty algorithm 4 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then move the left side down. Do the righty algorithm 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. Then move the left side up and do it righty algorithm 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And then move the left side down. One way I like to remember this algorithm is you are always alternating between moving the left side up and down and doing the righty algorithms. Now, for the last step, there are 3 cases you might get. You might have a soft cube, you might have a cube with no bars anywhere, or you might have a cube with bars. If you have a cube with bars, put the bars so that they are in the back and it perform that algorithm. So remember, left side up, righty algorithm 4 times, left side down, righty algorithm 3 times, left side up, righty algorithm 5 times. And you should have a solved cube. Now, if there are no bars, hold it from any angle and perform that algorithm once, 4 times, down, 3. And then you should get a bar, which can be solved as seen earlier. Congratulations, you have just solved your first 2x2. Until next time.